Welcome to our channel, Coin Collectors and Treasure Hunters. In today's video, we're exploring the top 4 most valuable Liberty United States quarter-dollar coins. Rare quarters that could be worth a fortune. From hidden minting errors to limited edition Liberty designs, these coins are not just pocket change. They're pieces of American history that could make you rich overnight. So stay tuned till the end to discover which Liberty quarter dollars are turning heads in the coin market and how to identify these valuable old coins in your own collection. Let's dive into the world of rare Liberty quarters. Your next big find might be right in your pocket. The 1973 Liberty quarter dollar with the D mint mark is one of the most fascinating coins that continues to capture the attention of collectors and treasure hunters alike. While most quarters from 1973 are common in circulation, a select few with rare minting errors or in pristine condition can reach unbelievable values at auctions. Struck at the Denver Mint, these coins bear the distinctive D mark that signifies their origin. What makes them so captivating is not only their age and history, but also the possibility that a small variation, such as a double die strike or off-center minting, could multiply their worth by thousands of dollars. Some collectors have paid extraordinary prices for perfectly preserved specimens, particularly those in uncirculated or proof condition, making the 1973 D Liberty quarter a hidden gem in the world of coin collecting. Even though the bicentennial quarter, minted later in 1975 to 1976, is more commonly associated with high collectible value, the 1973 D quarter holds a unique charm for numismatists. It bridges the gap between the classic Washington quarter design and the patriotic bicentennial issue that followed shortly after. Many people confuse the two, leading to increased curiosity about both coins. However, certain 1973 quarters with minting errors or those made on the wrong metal planchets have fetched eye-popping prices at coin shows and auctions. A few rare examples have been reported to sell for thousands, especially when certified by grading companies like PCGS or NGC. Imagine discovering a simple pocket change coin that could rival the value of a luxury car or even a home. It's no wonder collectors remain fascinated by this coin's potential. Collectors and investors often describe these coins as sleeping treasures, waiting to be discovered in old jars, inherited collections, or forgotten drawers. The thrill of finding one of these valuable coins lies in its mystery. Most people pass them by without realizing the fortune they could be holding. The 1973 D Liberty quarter serves as a powerful reminder that hidden wealth can appear in the most ordinary places. It's not just about metal. It's about history, craftsmanship, and the story behind every strike. Some of the most valuable 1973 quarters have stood the test of time, maintaining brilliant luster and detail even after decades, which dramatically increases their value. In today's market, such coins could easily reach prices in the thousands, depending on their condition and rarity. Adding to the allure are the legendary bicentennial coins, quarters from 1976 featuring the special drummer boy reverse design. These coins are often linked with tales of unimaginable worth, as collectors continue to hunt for rare varieties such as those struck on silver planchets or with unique die errors. Certain bicentennial quarters have sold for tens of thousands of dollars due to their rare minting variations. Some collectors even claim that a few examples have reached million-dollar valuations, especially those tied to historical minting mistakes or experimental strikes. Though these cases are rare, the dream of finding one continues to fuel the passion of coin enthusiasts worldwide. The combination of history, rarity, and mystery surrounding the 1973 D Liberty quarter and bicentennial coins has created a fever of excitement among numismatists and casual collectors alike. Online markets, coin shows, and auctions often feature these coins, and their values continue to rise as demand grows. Collectors always advise, never overlook an old coin, because even the most ordinary-looking quarter could be a fortune waiting to be discovered. The gleam of silver and the deep strike of Liberty's portrait remind us that these coins were not just currency. They are living pieces of American heritage. So, before you spend that old quarter in your pocket, take a closer look. It might just be your ticket to unexpected wealth. Whether it's the rare 1973 D Liberty quarter or a bicentennial treasure, These coins have changed lives and will continue to do so for generations. Every coin tells a story, and in the case of these rare finds, that story could be worth millions. Keep your eyes open, your curiosity alive, and your collection growing, because you never know when history and fortune might be hiding in the palm of your hand. The 1965 Liberty Quarter Dollar is one of the most fascinating and mysterious coins in U.S. history, a coin that bridges the era between silver and modern coinage. Minted during a time of change, this quarter marked the end of 90% silver quarters and the introduction of a new copper-nickel-clad composition. However, a few 1965 quarters were accidentally struck on 90% silver planchets left over from 1964. And these rare silver 1965 quarters are now worth thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. Collectors are always on the hunt for these elusive coins because their accidental creation makes them one of the most valuable transition error coins in U.S. numismatic history. What makes the 1965 quarter even more interesting is the ongoing myth of a Denver D mint mark. Officially, no 1965 quarters were struck with a mint mark, since the U.S. Mint removed mint marks from 1965 to 1967 to discourage coin hoarding during a nationwide coin shortage. However, a few error coins or die varieties with faint markings or damage resembling a D have surfaced, creating a wave of speculation among collectors. If a genuine 1965 D quarter were ever confirmed, it could be one of the rarest coins in existence, potentially worth millions. That's why collectors examine 1965 quarters with extreme precision. Even the smallest minting anomaly can turn an ordinary coin into a life-changing discovery. The 1965 Liberty Quarter is more than just a coin. It's a piece of American transition. It represents the nation's shift from precious metals to modern minting technology, all while maintaining the iconic image of George Washington and the proud American eagle on its reverse. The coin's design holds deep symbolism: liberty, strength, and endurance, which only adds to its collector appeal. Today, high-grade uncirculated 1965 quarters, especially those in pristine mint condition or with rare minting errors such as off-center strikes, double dies, or planchet mistakes, can bring thousands of dollars at auctions. The thrill of discovering one of these coins keeps treasure hunters and coin enthusiasts constantly checking their pocket change. Adding to the excitement are the bicentennial quarters, minted in 1975 and 1976 to celebrate America's 200th birthday. Though many are common, certain rare versions, like the silver-proof bicentennial quarters, or those with deep cameo finishes, are worth a small fortune. Some rare bicentennial quarters have fetched hundreds of thousands of dollars due to their condition, silver content, or special errors. The buzz around these coins has fueled widespread fascination, with stories of lucky individuals finding valuable pieces in circulation and turning them into unexpected treasure. Collectors often group the 1965 Liberty Quarter and the bicentennial quarters together because both symbolize pivotal moments in U.S. coin history. The 1965 marks the end of the silver era, while the bicentennial quarter celebrates the nation's 200 years of freedom. Both coins are timeless, patriotic, and rich in potential value. Even today, numismatists and everyday Americans alike search coin rolls, old jars, and forgotten drawers hoping to find one of these hidden gems. It's not just about the money. It's about owning a piece of American legacy that tells a story of change, freedom, and fortune. So, if you ever come across a 1965 Liberty Quarter or a bicentennial quarter, don't overlook it. Examine it carefully, especially for any signs of silver composition, unique toning, or unusual mint marks. You could be holding a coin worth a staggering amount, possibly enough to change your life forever. These coins are not just currency, they're treasure from a transformative era in U.S. history. Every 1965 quarter carries a whisper of mystery and potential fortune, and every bicentennial coin shines as a tribute to America's enduring spirit of liberty and independence. Keep your eyes open. Your next rare coin find could make you the next millionaire in the world of numismatics. The 1776 to 1976 Liberty Bicentennial Quarter Dollar is one of the most fascinating and collectible coins in American history. Minted to commemorate the 200th anniversary of the United States, This coin holds not just monetary value but a deep, patriotic significance. The coin features a unique dual date, 1776 to 1976, on the obverse side, celebrating 2 centuries of American freedom. Designed by Jack L. R., the reverse side showcases a colonial drummer, symbolizing the revolutionary spirit that shaped the nation. While millions were minted for circulation, special varieties and error coins from this period have become incredibly valuable, with some selling for thousands and even millions of dollars at auctions today. The Denver Mint Mark D plays a vital role in determining the coin's rarity and value. Coins struck at the Denver Mint are identified by a small d located to the right of Washington's ponytail. While most bicentennial quarters are common, certain Denver minted varieties, especially those with minting errors, proof-like finishes, or struck on silver planchets, can fetch astonishing prices. Some rare 1776 to 1976 D quarters with double die errors or exceptional condition, graded MS68 or higher, have sold for over $10,000 to $20,000. Collectors and investors alike hunt for these gems, knowing that a flawless D-mint bicentennial quarter could be hiding in an old coin jar or inherited collection, waiting to be discovered. Another factor that dramatically influences the coin's value is whether it was struck in 40% silver rather than the standard copper-nickel composition. These silver quarters were produced in limited quantities for collectors and special mint sets, making them far more desirable than regular circulation coins. When preserved in pristine, uncirculated condition, a silver bicentennial quarter can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on its grade, toning, and rarity. The combination of historical significance, limited silver mintage, and patriotic design makes these coins a centerpiece for any serious numismatist's collection. What truly makes the 1776 to 1976 D Liberty Quarter so extraordinary is the emotional and historical connection it holds. Every bicentennial coin serves as a time capsule from America's 200th birthday, a celebration of liberty, independence, and national pride. The striking drummer design, bold lettering, and iconic dual dates give the coin an unmistakable look that stands out from all other quarters ever minted. For many, owning one of these coins isn't just about wealth. It's about holding a piece of American history that represents resilience and freedom. The coin market today has seen an explosive rise in demand for rare bicentennial coins, as collectors and investors realize their potential to appreciate in value. Some varieties with unique minting flaws, such as missing letters, off-center strikes, or double impressions, have been auctioned for unbelievable amounts. In fact, there are verified cases where 1776 to 1976 D quarters have sold for tens of thousands of dollars because of their rarity and impeccable condition. These coins, once worth only 25 cents, have transformed into small treasures capable of changing someone's fortune overnight. So if you happen to own a 1776 to 1976 Liberty Bicentennial quarter with the D mint mark, don't rush to spend it. It could be worth far more than you imagine. Carefully inspect it or have it professionally graded by a reputable coin service like PCGS or NGC. Hidden among common coins could lie a multi-million-dollar rarity that could redefine your financial future. These pieces of history, minted in honor of liberty and independence, continue to shine as symbols of America's enduring spirit. And owning one might just make you part of a story worth more than gold itself. The 1967 Liberty Quarter Dollar is one of the most fascinating coins in American history, captivating collectors and investors alike with its beauty, mystery, and potential value. Though it carries no mint mark, as coins from that year were struck during a special period without any to discourage hoarding, rare error varieties and special mint strikes have made certain 1967 quarters incredibly valuable. These coins were minted in the midst of a national coin shortage and transitional period when silver was being phased out of regular circulation. As a result, some rare 1967 quarters possess unique minting characteristics or unusual compositions that can command astonishing prices among serious collectors. A perfectly preserved 1967 quarter in mint state condition, especially one with a full strike and deep cameo contrast, can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars today. What truly sets the 1967 Liberty Quarter apart are the rare minting errors that occurred during production. These errors, such as double dies, off-center strikes, and coins struck on the wrong planches, are what drive their value into extraordinary ranges. Imagine discovering a 1967 quarter mistakenly struck on a silver planche, or one with an off-metal error. Such coins have fetched prices far beyond expectations, sometimes reaching tens of thousands of dollars at auction. Because no mint marks were used that year, collectors look for subtle design flaws and strike variations to identify the rarest examples. These details, often invisible to the naked eye, can make the difference between a coin worth 25 cents and one worth a small fortune. Adding to the intrigue, the 1967 quarter sits within an era that also includes the celebrated bicentennial coins, which are themselves icons of American numismatic history. The bicentennial quarters, released later in 1976, feature the dual date 1776 to 1976, and a colonial drummer design, symbolizing the spirit of American independence. Some special bicentennial coins, especially those struck in silver or proof condition, have achieved values in the hundreds of thousands or even millions depending on rarity and grade. This connection between the 1967 quarter and the later bicentennial releases fuels excitement among collectors, as both represent milestones in the story of the American quarter dollar. Many enthusiasts view the 1967 coin as a prelude to one of the most patriotic coin designs ever minted, and thus its desirability has only grown over the years. For those lucky enough to find an uncirculated or high-grade 1967 quarter, the value can be truly life-changing. Coins graded MS-67 or higher by professional grading services such as PCGS or NGC have brought eye-popping prices at auction. These coins, with their mirror-like luster and flawless surfaces, represent the pinnacle of preservation and are sought after by top-tier collectors around the world. In contrast, most circulated 1967 quarters hold modest face value. But the thrill of discovering a rare error or a mint-condition specimen is what keeps treasure hunters searching through pocket change and old coin rolls. It's this possibility, the dream of uncovering a hidden gem worth thousands, that makes collecting coins like the 1967 Liberty Quarter so captivating. The legend of rare 1967 and bicentennial quarters has spread widely, fueled by stories of ordinary people finding life-changing coins in their collections or loose change. Imagine pulling out an old jar of coins from a drawer and discovering a coin with a small but critical error, perhaps a double die on the obverse or a missing clad layer. These coins, due to their rarity, can fetch enormous sums from collectors eager to own a piece of minting history. As more people become aware of the potential value hiding in their change, interest in these quarters continues to soar, driving both excitement and competition in the coin market. Ultimately, the 1967 Liberty Quarter Dollar stands as a symbol of America's changing times, an era of transition, innovation, and hidden treasures. Whether it's the allure of minting mistakes, the link to the bicentennial celebration, or the enduring image of liberty on its face, this coin captures a unique moment in U.S. history. It reminds us that even the smallest piece of metal in our pockets can carry stories of immense historical and monetary value. So before you spend that old quarter, take a moment to look closely. You might be holding a piece of American history worth far more than 25 cents, a hidden treasure that could one day change your fortune.